Welcome to room 801 at the Catalonia Barcelona Plaza. 8th floor. Okay, y'all, I am thoroughly impressed with this room. I'm not even sure I would call it a room. More so a suite, I would say. This is the living room area. And it does have a nice size TV. I would say about a 45-inch TV. In the corner, there's a station for coffee or tea. There's some snacks for purchase, as well as a mini bar. Again, these items are for purchase. Some drawer space. Some cabinet space underneath the TV. And there are 4 cabinets, the same size. This is the sitting area. Lots of lights as well. And then they do have this area, a nice mirror. Again, more cabinet space. So lots of room for storage. So 4 of these. Now I'm gonna move into the hallway. As you can see, very long hallway. Excuse all of our luggage. But here is the half bath. There's some hand towels, soap, a nice sized bathroom in my opinion. Again, this is just the half bath. Now, moving on into the hall, lots of storage space. They do provide some slippers and bathrobes as well. And looks like up at the top, there's some extra linen if you need that. They do, I'm sure James will be happy to know, they have an iron and an ironing board. James has gone 2 weeks without an iron. I know it's driving him crazy. They also have this little sitting area that I like where you could kind of sit and put your shoes on, things like that. More storage space. And they do have a safe. They do have these smaller drawers as well. There's 2 of those. And I'm gonna take a few steps back and I'm gonna take you all into the full bath. Now, it does have a sliding glass door. A nice deep sitting tub. This is the sink area, plenty of counter space. They do have a hair dryer right there. They do have a scale and some towels for you. They do have hand wash and body lotion here. They also provide some toiletries if you forgot yours. There's a comb, some tissues, a shower cap, a dental kit, I assume, toothbrush, maybe some plackers, things like that. And they have this vanity kit as well. And then they do have 2 separate doors here. We will go in on the door on the right. The door on the right is this huge shower. It does have the handheld as well as the rainfall. They do provide shampoo, conditioner, and body wash as well. Very nice size shower. And then the door on the left, lucky door number 2, is just the toilet area. I'm not sure what the stand is for, but hey, I'll show you it because it's in here. And there's a phone in here. Okay, stepping back out into the hallway, we are now going to enter, before I go into the bedroom, they do have this full-size mirror here on the wall as well. And now we're gonna move into the bedroom. King-size bed, lots of light. There is light on each side of the bed. There are 2 chairs. There is a nice fireplace. I'm not sure how often this fireplace would get used here in Barcelona, but it is a nice touch in my opinion. We have a fireplace in our bedroom, never ever turned it on. This is the TV right above the fireplace. And just to show you all the nightstand situation going on here, these are on both sides of the bed. The drawers are not that deep, but what you would expect for a nightstand. They do have the old style USB ports there, electrical and light switches. They do have these reading lights here as well as these lamps. So plenty of light, and these lights are on both sides of the bed. The setup is the same. So yeah, this is the hotel room / suite. We will be staying in for the next 3 nights while we are here in Barcelona. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the outside. Now y'all know I'm a sun girl, so I am happy with this. Let me show you. All of this space goes with the suite. So as you can see, we have 2 chairs, a table, nice plants. We have this day bed set up here. Walking around the corner, we have more space. Now, this is just 3 chairs, but still, this is a nice outside area, in my opinion. And let me show you what we view from this room. Again, Barcelona. This structure right here is a mall. It has stores, it has a movie theater, it has lots of restaurants and cafes and things. This structure here is an elevator. You can take it up and down and see the views that we are showing you now. This is the side of the hotel, but directly in front of us, we get this view. But yeah, again, room 801. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Bye. Upon entrance at the hotel, there is a very nice bar here. And then straight ahead is the check-in area. Now, we're gonna walk up this way if we can, just to show you guys, but they do also have a restaurant here. Hola. I just want to walk up here real quick. Thank you. Okay, so this is where they have breakfast in the mornings. However, it is $25 or 25 euros per person. And you can also book it when you book or make your reservation, you can also add that cost to your reservation. There is also an ATM machine here on the lobby area. It does give you euros, and they also have bathrooms on this level as well. They also have another restaurant, and it is a Japanese restaurant as well. So some decent eating options at the hotel. Okay, so the pool area is located. I'm just gonna walk out real quick. Thank you. The pool area is located on deck 8. So pool area, they do have a bar back there. You can sit here and enjoy the view of the city, but lots of these chairs as well. And then there's another nice little quiet sitting area up here as well. Again, more high top tables, some couches, and a few day beds. But this is the pool area.